Hey kids, Top from Big Top Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing a product review. We have the YRenZ camp stove. I got an Amazon gift card for Christmas. I've wanted a hot tent stove, so I went ahead and got one. I have an eye on a hot tent that I want to get that is a 4-season tent that I can use in the future. My wife can use it for girls camp, for church, and father and son campouts, family campouts, things like that. So without further ado, this is the YRenZ. This is everything that comes with it. It's got the stove itself, it's got 7 flume pieces, got an oven for the top, and then 2 discs for the top and the bottom of the oven. It comes with gloves, as well as a tool that you can use to help adjust things so you don't burn yourself. You'll notice there's no bag. It only came boxed with all of this in a single box, so no bag. It also comes with 4 of these hand-tightened screws that you screw in to tighten down the oven on the top. But they're just hand-tightened, easy enough to do. I like to add one more before I add the flume with the dampener so that I can adjust that. That's it, it's set up. It goes fast. But also, again, what I like about it too is, again, I'm 6'6" or 198 centimeters. This thing is 7 feet tall. So nice thing, it'll get up and out of your tent, no problem. You'll notice there's no rain stop on the top of this. So I bought this additional piece that will allow the smoke out. It also has rings so that if it gets super windy, you can tie it in place. This adds additional height to it. So that is probably 7.5 feet tall. Might even be closer to 8 feet. Again, nice and tall. We'll get it up and out of your way. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna start a fire. We'll heat the oven up, and then I brought some food that we can heat up on there and see how it goes. Now, what I do like about this is that you can cut pieces of wood that are 1 foot in length and they'll fit in here no problem. So something this size will fit in there without any issue. So this is my first light. I haven't lit the stove yet. Well, the paper's doing a good job, at least at smoking. I could see how this would smoke out a tent, but again, I think that's more the paper than less on the wood. I think the other paper caught fire now. There's different ways that you can control the heat. Obviously, this front ring here, when you have it open, the hotter it's gonna get. There's also one here on the side. You can control this and close and control it. Additionally, here on the flume, you can turn that and dampen and control the heat. Additionally, you can use the tool and you can pull part of the disc out, and that'll let more of that heat escape to control your temperature. It does come with a stove on the bottom with some nice wings on the side so that you can dry or keep food warm. It has a thermometer on here. The top section is an oven. Again, it comes with these gloves, everything else that you've seen. I will point out though, as far as some of the features, I do like the glass on the front and on the side so that you can see. It does blacken up fairly quickly, so just keep that in mind, but again, that can be cleaned. It does not come with this top section. I did purchase this separately. The link is in the description below. I also got this off of Amazon. It fits perfectly over the diameter of these. One thing I might invest in is they also sell angled ones. So I might add one more angled piece to it, just so that any ash or anything that does come out doesn't land directly on the tent, but it angles it out farther away. They sell some that go up, out, and then back up. So it just gets it, again, away from your tent. This is what we're gonna be putting in here, just reheating some pizza from last night. At this time, just using tin foil. So this is about 6 inches wide, 6.5. So you can get a 6-inch pan in there, no problem. And we'll keep an eye on that. The other thing I'd recommend with these, if you don't have them, I bought these on Amazon. These are fireproof gloves. Would even recommend you wearing these because, again, this is all metal and it will burn you. These gloves are okay for just doing simple touches, but I just closed the side. In doing so, you know, it burnt my finger. So I'm gonna be a little more cautious now, and I'm gonna put on my fire gloves just to be safe. Check. I think it was too hot. I may have burnt the bottom. I did. So again, you can control the temperature. I didn't do a very good job at that. I would just keep that in mind when you're cooking your pizza. The other thing I would recommend that I am probably going to invest in is a collar fit around this that will go through the tent. This gets so hot that this will melt your tent, even through the stove jack ports. So I would recommend getting a sleeve to go over the top of this. They sell them that just attach perfectly. You can even screw in. This piece up here was less than $20. For about $20, you can also buy a sleeve, chimney sleeve that'll go through the stove jack port on your tent. Let's try our burnt pizza. So, heat the pizza up, but I also burnt the bottom. So that's my own fault, not the oven's. I didn't pay attention to it very well, so. Tastes good. It's a little crunchy. So out of the box, the first time I set this up, took less than 5 minutes. Very quick to set up and tear down. Obviously, when you take it down, you're gonna have to wait for it to cool down. So in this case, I'm gonna close everything, try to get the temperature down, let it drop, let the wood burn out in there. The nice thing, including all of these, everything that comes with it will fit down inside the stove itself. So you can fit all 7 of these, and there's enough room for me to fit the 8th top piece on top of the flume. So you can fit all of those, including the tool, the gloves that come with it. It'll all be contained inside. Pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. I really like the nice stainless steel build. It's good quality. It's not gonna warp with the heat. I like that it comes with a dampener in the flume. I do like the option of having an oven when I want to take the oven, depending on what meals I'm planning and taking. I can leave that at home or leave it in my vehicle. I do like the height, fantastic height. Get it up nice and outside of your tent. I do like that it has the wings so that you can put stuff on the side to either keep warm or to dry. I do love that it has a thermometer built into it, which is very, very helpful. And I do like that it has 2 different air intake ports. So you have one here on the side and one on the front. Now for the cons. There are a few things that I wish were better. The legs. The nice thing is it has fold up under legs. However, when you first set it up, it feels a little unstable until you get them all completely set up. If you move it at all once it's set up, like with the flume and everything on it, and then you attempt to move it, one of the legs, at least for me, swings underneath. So I have to pull it out by hand to get it set up. Once it's set up, it feels nice and sturdy. I'll probably consider something that I can do to maybe even tighten the legs to make sure that they stay where they're at. There's not many other negatives. I mean, the other big negative is no bag. Most of the other ones that I looked at had bags. I went with this one because I like the stove option, but I do wish it had a bag. I'm enjoying it so far. I would give this one an 8 out of 10. There's definitely room for improvement. Hopefully soon I'll be able to show you the hot tent that goes with it. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. My review of the YRenZ hot tent camp stove. Good. Again, I would give it an 8 out of 10. If it had a few additions, the legs were a little better. If it came with a bag, I would definitely bump it up. Hopefully you enjoyed that. I do have a few other product reviews coming up. For now, stay safe. God bless you all, and have a good one. See you on the next one. Take care. Bye.